Hello and good morning. Today, let us do a new series on Natal Rashis, and that is the position of the moon in your natal chart. The first sign in the zodiac is Mesha or Aries. Mesha or Aries is a fiery movable sign with Ram as a symbol and Mars as the Lord. And the nakshatras are Ashwini, Bharani and Kritika. Let us look at the most important traits of Mesha Rashi natives. Mesha Rashi natives are short to medium height. They have curly hair, inset eyes and a complexion which depends upon the race, dark to fair, but they will have an influence of reddishness in them due to the Mars's qualities. The native is very independent of nature and they are physically and mentally very strong. They are conscious of their surroundings and are given to temper or anger. Mars is the commander-in-chief in the god's army, DEAVA. The positive qualities of Aries Rashi or Mesha Rashi is that the native is generous to fault and will go to any extreme to help them. They are extremely intelligent, quick thinking, mercurial, have a tendency towards geniusness. They are quick to adapt and to change. They grasp very fast and they know how to change and follow the trend. The numerical number of Mars is 9, which is represented with a completeness or complete togetherness. Mars is also the numerical numbers are, the natives born under numerical numbers 9, 18 and 27 also come under the Mesha Rashi influence. They shine like kings and children born under Mesha Rashi is a blessing to their parents for they bring luck to their parents. Whether the child is born in Mesha Rashi or whether the child is born in 9, 18 or 27, they bring luck to their parents. Now let us look at the negative traits of Mesha Rashi. The natives are generally of the attitude to act first and then ask a question. They are fast thinkers, fast in action. They become restless. They are always on move. They don't have patience with slow or lazy people. They are quick to get temper or anger. They are very fast to cool down and they don't hold grudges. They have a childlike anger in them and this anger fades away very fast or dies very fast and they do not carry a grudge. But the opposite party who has got the taste of this anger will think twice before he continues with his relationship with a Marsian or an Aries native. They have a tendency to do many things simultaneously and therefore their concentration is fitted. They don't have an attention span. They have a very short attention span and they want to put too many things in that attention span. The natives will go into or rather deviate into various branches of any subject and lose focus in what they are doing. Mesha Rashi natives are highly communicative and therefore they can do education in commerce, in administration, in accounts, in business administration, scientists, engineers, what is called civil engineers, because Mars is a Bhumi Putra. Mars is a Bhumi Putra, so anything to do with Mars will also fetch them good results. Maybe in what is called skilled artisans, okay, making of a sword or any kind of weaponry, they are good in that. They are great surgeons, there are good doctors. So basically they have a big bank of intelligence which you can definitely utilize it. They are brilliant and they can go to any field they want to do. But administration is what they are very good at. At the end of the day, they will do administration. They will do a job which needs administration. They might be great doctors, they might be great scientists, great engineers, great chemists, but at the end of everything, when they take up a job, they will take up a job which has a requirement for their administrative skills. So therefore, any native who is a Marcianian or who is a Mesha Rashi native should look at double parallel or two verticals where they incorporate whatever subject they want to do along with man management or along with administration. Now, career opportunities for Mesha Rashi natives is any kind of finance, business, administration, government organization, armed forces, intelligence branch, or what you call it, businessmen, political sciences, political career is what we can look at for Mesha Rashi people. Now let us look at the nakshatras of Mesha Rashi native. Nakshatras are Ashwini, Bharani and Kritika. Ashwini symbolizes the horse and the Ashwini Kumars. Therefore, travel, transport, industries are very favorable for Ashwini people. Ashwini natives are straightforward, honest, sincere and faithful. They can keep secrets. They are confidential people. They can keep matters to themselves. So they become most trusted, faithful employees. Ashwini Kumars are the physicians of the doctors. Therefore, the natives can also become doctors. But at the end of the day, they will come back to doing some kind of an administration work. Bharani means complete cultivation or deserved to be cultivated. As a symbol is a yoni. It is a relationship with a man and a woman, and they have I lost my track. Just a minute. Sorry, we were talking about Bharani. Bharani is the most materialistic and spiritual nakshatra. They have a great desire for material comforts as well as a great want to be spiritual. They somehow manage to put both of them together. They have a great want for material comforts and they are dedicated spiritual leaders, or spirituality comes to them very easily. Kritika is considered to be a raiser of flames, meaning a lady who can accomplish any work that she puts her mind into. Kritika natives have enormous vitality, courage. They are strong-willed, have the makings of a great leader. Kritika natives are born leaders or born managers. Now let us look at the wealth of Aries natives. Aries Mesha Rashi natives amass great wealth, and materially and emotionally they are extraordinarily happy. They are close to their mother. Marriage and love life, Mesha Rashi natives are of independent thinking. They like to choose their own partners and they will convince their parents that they have made the right choice. Generally, the spouse is beautiful or handsome and they will marry well and into good families. They will marry into good families. In their married life, partnership life, Mesha Rashi becomes extraordinarily jealous of their partner, and that will bring a rift into their married life. They require the attention of their spouse completely. Mesha Rashi natives generally do not go into affairs. They choose one and they will stick to that native through thick and thin. It is ideal, it will be ideal for Mesha Rashi natives to marry into Simha, Tula, Dhanur, Kumbha. Natives will make ideal couples. Most Mesha Rashi natives get extraordinarily faithful, faithful wives or faithful partners, sorry, faithful partners. They have lots of properties. They have a great want for the same. They will also inherit properties from their parents, and they will have unearned wealth. As far as dharma is concerned, they will follow the path of dharma. They are hardworking. They will earn their wealth through intelligence and sweat. Health of the Mesha Rashi natives: they love to eat. They have great bodies, great constitutions, but they will get into heartburns and indigestions as they grow old. They should control their food habits. The only negativity for Mesha Rashi people is their digestive system. They are extraordinarily good constitution and extraordinarily good bodies. They have a body of a bodybuilder or even as a of a army officer. Now let us look at the do's and the don'ts. Mesha Rashi people are great. They should look into their positive side of life. They have an extreme possessiveness or jealousy, which will create stress in their married life. They should try to control their stress in their married life, and they should control their possessiveness in their married life or in their family life. It could be a possessiveness to their children, to their parents, to their wife. It doesn't matter. For a Mesha Rashi, they are possessive of everything and anything. They are like a small child. You take away a toy from the child, he or she will put up a tantrum. That's a possessiveness which is there, which is very childlike in Mesha Rashi people. Now let us look at lucky numbers, lucky colors, temper. Let us look at the lucky numbers for Mesha Rashi people. It's 9, 18 and 27. The lucky colors are red, white and light yellow. The lucky days are Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays and Sundays. Then Mondays and Wednesdays are okay, medium. Saturday is a no day. The idea here is Tuesday is a day of Mars, the Thursday is a day of Jupiter, Friday is a day of Venus, and Sunday is a day of the Sun, who are friends to Mars. Now Monday is a day of the Moon and Wednesday is a day of Mercury. Both are inimical to Mars. Saturday is a day of Saturn and he is inimical to Mars. The lucky gem is red coral or vidrum, and the lucky deity is Lord Subramanya or Katyagini, Katyayana, Shiva's son. There is a small prayer for Lord Subramanya which will definitely be useful for natives born under Mesha Rashi. I will try and repeat this prayer. Rather, I will read the prayer. Just a minute. Prayer to Lord Kartikeya or Subramanya. Again, there is a dispute with many astrologers saying that we should pray to Hanuman for Marsian native or Mesha Rashi, but my personal take is that you should pray to Subramanya, because Subramanya will not only control your anger and he will give you stability in your mind, whereas Saturn will pull you down, which is not what you need. You need to have a control on your temper, which Saturn will not give. He'll make you remorse, whereas if you do a Subramanya prayer, he will give you strength to manage your mind as such. Okay, the prayer goes like this: Om Sarva Vana Sarvana Bhavya Namaham, which means adoration to Lord Subramanyam. Jnana Shakti Dharaskandha Vali Kalyana Sundara Devasena Mahan Kanta Katyaginiye Namo Namaham. Om Subramanyaya Namaham. I try and explain this to the best of my ability. Salutations to Lord Kartikeya, who is the who is also known as Skanda, he who holds the staff of intelligence. He has the Valli or veil with him, which is the staff of intelligence, and he holds the beautiful goddess Valli, that is the staff. He is the enchanter of the mind of goddess Devasena. Goddess Devasena was the daughter of Daksha, and nobody could control her mind except for Kartikeya. Oh Lord Kartikeya, this is my prayer to you. Salutations to Om Namo Subramanyaya Namaha. This is the entire meaning of this prayer. I hope this video has been useful. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.